Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronni. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm going to be doing my March Boxycharm 2020 unboxing. I only have the base box. I've not got the premium or the Boxylux. So right now what I'm doing is I was just kind of looking at everything, and last month, February, I didn't receive a card that they usually send you, showing the value of the items or the description or anything. So again, I'll have to go to the website to get that information. Now, if you see me looking over here, it's just to make sure that my camera is still recording. So the first item that I have is by the brand Murad, or Murad, hydration. It says that this is the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. And let's see here. According to their website, this is worth $70. I don't know if I would pay $70 for like a moisturizing eye cream. Alright. So I don't know if I would give that much for like a moisturizing eye cream. I guess it would just depend on how good it was. And that baby. But the description of this says it says to dimply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. It has a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract, seal, and moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness, gentle enough for sensitive skin. So that is really, really good. I mean, I am 34, so I am getting a tad bit older. But this is what it looks like. Just a plain bottle. And then you do take this off, and it is just kind of like a white cream. It does smell like really fresh, but that is what it looks like. Obviously, I can't use this because I do have makeup on right now. So I will try this probably in another video, kind of like a night routine or something. But it feels really nourishing. I mean, it does feel hydrating. It does feel very comfortable. Alright, so again, as you can see, it does go on pretty clear, or, yeah. So I'm just wiping that off. Alright. And this was the box that it did come in through Boxycharm. The next item, let me see, is the Hank and Henry Living in Color eyeshadow palette. Now this retails for $27. Below the packaging, we did get a lipstick, I know, from Hank and Henry, and I believe I've got an eyeliner from them as well through Boxycharm. Really. I'm having to open both sides just to kind of give mine a push out. But this is the palette itself. It does have the names on the back. So like this one is Sultry Sin, and then this is like, okay. But I mean, to me, and it does have a mirror. So the colors in this are very, very pretty. I do like the fact that you can kind of bend this back. It doesn't have the names on the inside, but again, it does on the back. These colors are real pretty. I mean, you know, got some shimmers in there. Kind of 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. And the rest are, so it's 3, 6, 9. So it's like a 9 shadow pan. And again, this is $27. I personally don't think that this had to be this thick, because it is pretty bulky, as you can tell. But this says, the description from Boxycharm says, "Are you ready to start living in color? Says, visually inspired by the late 90s and early 2000s MySpace realness, each one of these eyeshadows can be worn by itself and blended out for the artist on the go. So, like I said, I am 34. This does remind me of the 90s and early 2000s so much, so much. You know, just the Hank and Henry is like supposed to be a really good brand. I've never personally bought anything myself from them except for what I've gotten through Boxycharm. But the lipstick that I got from them, I really did like. I still actually have it. And the eyeliner pen I've not used it, so I'm not really sure how good it is. I'd say it's probably good though. Alright, so the next item we have is the Very Cherry Clean by Farmacy. So this is a cleansing balm. Alright, so this is $34. And it says that this is a pink cherry scented version of our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm infused with vitamin C, rich, oh goodness, some kind of cherry. This nourishing facial cleansing balm melts away makeup and pollution residue. Even the Boast Eye makeup and long-wearing foundation are easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. So you do get kind of like a little spatula with it. And it took me forever to figure out how to open it. Not the smartest, obviously. But you just pop up like the little lid on top. That's the inside. And it does smell really good, but I'm not a big balm type person like this. I will probably end up giving this away. I like my witch hazel and a couple of other removers. So, but, I mean, I might use this and see how good it is. And again, that was $34. Alright, and then my last two items is, let's see, just finding the descriptions on here. Okay, so I guess it's going to be this Becca Ultimate Lip Liner. This is $22. Now, we've gotten a few things from Becca, like a lipstick and I know a highlighter. I was actually going through my makeup and seeing those earlier today. The lipstick I really like and the highlighter I really like. I actually still use both of those. This is $22. I don't know if I said that or not. But mine is in the color Mood. Yeah, in the color Mood. So you do get this, which is a sharpener on one end. And then this, it is like a retractable lip liner, so that's really, really nice. It's more of like a pinky color. I don't know if I'll actually get any use of this out or not. Not much for pink lip liners, but we'll see. The description is a high-impact 8-hour long-wear lip liner that effortlessly contours and defines the lips with a perfect balance of color and precision. The innovative dual-ended liner comes with a built-in sharpener and pout perfecting precision tool for effortless application and definition every time. So there was a few shades like Playful, Pouty, Mood, Fearless, Low Maintenance, Vacation, Spice, Charming, Mystery, Fun, Breezy, Confident, and Energetic. So, again, this is just mine. It's pretty. I just don't know how much use I'll actually get out of it. Okay, where's the lipstick? Oh, okay. So, the last item that we got is a lipstick. This is by Peel. This is their Ultra Creme Lipstick for $21. It says this is a luxurious cream lipstick that slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. This lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application, rich in color, and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection. So, again, $21. The name of the brand, again, is Appeal. So this is what it looks like. At first I was kind of confused as to how to open it, but you just grab this right here, pull it down, and it does slide up. So this is the shade I got, more of like a brownish nude, I guess. It doesn't go with the lip liner at all, so I don't know who, put these boxes together. This I don't think would look good with this, but I could be wrong. I don't know. It doesn't really give me the name of it. Even on the lipstick itself, it doesn't tell me the name. On the top here, that is the top. And then on the bottom, it doesn't have anything. So, and on the lipstick itself, it doesn't. But when you look at this, it doesn't really tell you either. It just says Appeal Ultra Creme Lipstick. I'm not really sure of the name of mine. It's just a shame because if I liked it, how am I going to know what it is on their website? But that is the March base Boxycharm that I got for 2020. It wasn't really exciting to me. I mean, some of the products, might be good, but to get like an eye cream and a cleansing balm, I'm not really into skincare a whole lot. I've kind of got my own things. The lipstick, I think I'll get some use out of because it's a color I will wear. This, not necessarily something I'll wear. I don't know. The eyeshadow palette is nice, just a little bit bulky in my opinion. So, we'll see. I'll try it out. But the box that came in again was really, really big for the products, and no card. I'd like to have the cards just to kind of reference what I do. I mean, if the boxes keep getting like they have been, I either will go up to premium or I'll just cancel and find something else. I've been a Boxycharm subscriber though for 3 years, and when I first subscribed, the products was really pretty good. Here and there you wouldn't get such a great box, but last month it was, from what I can remember, a pretty good box, and this month it's just like, I don't really like the eye creams or like the skincare. I don't use those types of things. And I know I can give them away, but the other items, I know they make up well for the $25 I am paying. But I just wish that they would kind of get back to, just more or less makeup in the base box and maybe like the skincare for the premium or the Boxy Lux. So I don't know, but we'll see. I'll get a couple more months and kind of go from there. But I do appreciate you, staying for the whole video if you've made it this far. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button if you want, and hit the notification bell to be notified about future videos. I do appreciate you taking the time to, just watch the video, kind of hang out, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.